Let's say you're in Excel and you want to select all the rows that are in your sheet. You could just use your mouse, select the first option, click hold the left mouse button, drag, and then pull all the way down. But you might have a bunch of rows that you're dealing with and you don't want to do this manually. Well, thankfully there's an easy way around this, and I just wanted to show you guys. So if you go back to the top, for example, and you select the first cell, and then hold shift on your keyboard and use the arrow keys, here I'm pressing to the right, you can see that I'm able to select cells. So I'm going to select all of these cells. I can then press down to select more cells, but that's not what I'm here to show you. I'm here to show you that if I just select the first row, and then while I'm still holding shift, I press control, and then press down on the arrow keys, it selects everything. So when you get used to this, it's actually a really quick way to select just the cells you want to select. Here it is one more time. Select the first cell, hold shift, press the right arrow key until you've selected them all, hold control, press arrow key down. There you go, they're all selected. Now let's do the opposite. Let's go from the bottom. So I'm going to select this cell, we're going to do shift, left arrow key until we select them all, hold control, arrow key up. Oh, look at this. It worked, but it selected the title here. Maybe we don't want that. So there's two ways to fix this. You hold shift, press arrow key down, and it adjusts. Or what I like to do in my sheet sometimes is select the cell right below the actual title row and just say insert. This will create an empty row. Then all I have to do with this is make it really tiny. Okay, and then if you go to the bottom and select the bottom cell again, we're going to hold shift, arrow key left, hold control, arrow key up. You'll notice that it selected everything, but it stopped. And it does that because the row that I added is empty. Because it's empty, it kind of knows that that's the end of what I want to select. The same thing works for horizontal sheets. So for example, in this case, I have a bunch of columns. They're nonsense columns, but they're a bunch of columns nonetheless. If I wanted to select them, I would click on the cell. I would hold shift, arrow key down until the end. Then I would start holding control. And then I would press arrow key right once, and it would select everything.